Tired of endless crafting? Let's automate that grind and build an automatic crafter. You'll need a crafter, a chest, hoppers, building blocks of your choice, and the resources you want to craft. Start by placing a chest. This is where your crafted items will end up. Next, attach a hopper to the back of the chest, ensuring it's feeding into the chest. Now, place your crafter block directly on top of the hopper, making sure the back of the crafter is facing the hopper. Surround the crafter with hoppers on 3 sides, the left, right, and front. These will feed in the ingredients. Leave the back open so it feeds into the back of the crafter. Place a building block on top of each of these 3 hoppers. These will hold more hoppers. Place a hopper on top of each block, ensuring they're feeding into the hoppers below. These hoppers will hold the actual ingredients. Now, carefully fill the top hoppers with the exact amount of each ingredient needed for your recipe. The order doesn't matter. For example, if you're crafting wooden planks, put logs in all the hoppers. Place a lever on the side of the crafter. This will activate the crafting process. Flick the lever and watch the magic happen. The crafter will pull ingredients, craft the item, and deposit it directly into the chest. Now your automatic crafter is complete. You can expand this system by building multiple crafters side by side for even faster production. Go forth and automate all the things.